Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Let me. I can't figure out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So as you've read by the title of this video, I'm finally doing the Urbanique haul. Is it called Urbanique? Urbanique? Whatever it's called, I'm doing the haul. So many of you all have been requesting me to do this haul, and I finally am doing one. They were kind enough to send me their clothes. So in this video, what we are going to be doing is that I'm going to be telling you about the products that I got. I have this huge box right here with me, and I have like 7 items of clothing and a few pieces of jewelry. First, we're going to talk about the product that we have received, and then we'll decide if it was a hit or miss. And to add a little spice to the video and make it a little bit more interesting, I decided to, instead of doing hit or miss, I decided to do ish or niche. Ish means basically that I did not like the product and I would basically return it, and niche means that I really like the product and I will be obviously wearing it in the future. So with that being said, let's move on with the video. The first item that I got is, actually let me just open my order so I know what are the exact names of the product that I'm showing you. So the first product that I got is this Simplicity pullover, and as you can see, it's so cute. Also, a disclaimer, I have actually purchased quite a few winter pieces. Like out of 7 pieces that I got, 2 of them are winter pieces and 1 is semi-winter. I think you can just rock it in summers as well. With that being said, the first item that I got is this Simplicity pullover sweater, and as you can see, it's a huge sweater. Like, you cannot even see me. The material of the sweater is really nice. I didn't expect the material to be this good, but actually the material of Urbanique clothes are really nice, except for one clothing that I received. I did not like the material of that. Let's just not get ahead of ourselves and talk about this one first. So as you can see, it's a tie-dye situation going on right here, and blue and white tie-dye is just amazing. Like, I love blue tie-dyes, and I think tie-dyes are so in right now. So when I saw this one, I really thought that it would be so nice to just like chill in this in home and just like maybe like style it with some black biker shorts and with like white sneakers and like maybe a bucket hat, and it will look so cool. The material in the sweater is not like those sweaters which actually, you know, जो बहुत ज़्यादा चुभते हैं आपकी skin को. It's not like one of those sweaters. It's actually really soft and it's quite stretchy as well. So with that being said, is this product an ish or niche? This is definitely a niche, and I would really love to wear it in winter. The next item that I bought is this. Yes, I told you there are 2 items in this haul that are literally so apt for winters. I was seeing so many of these jackets on Pinterest and like all over the internet. When I saw this, I was really like, I had to get this one, and it looks so cute. I love the pastel purple and like the yellow on it. It's not really yellow, it's somewhat beigeish, and as you can see, it fits the sleeves really well too. It comes up till here, and really like the material. Really good material, really thick. I think it's a pretty good vintage sort of retro-y 90s sort of pullover that I think would amp up even a basic white t-shirt and jeans. You can just throw it on and look super cute and Pinteresty, if I may say. So is this really ish or niche? Definitely a niche. I absolutely love it. I love the cozy warm feeling that it gives me, and I love how beautiful it looks. This one I have been meaning to get since so long. Like, I'm not even kidding. Those blue cardigan actions going on all over the Pinterest and internet. Yes, I know all of these, like most of these outfits are inspired by like Pinterest aesthetic photos. This one, and the material feels so nice. Like the material is so soft. I love the white buttons. I think it just looks so much more aesthetic with these buttons. And I have been meaning to get this one since so long, before they even reached out to me. So coming to the final question, is it ish or niche? Obviously you've seen my review and you know that it's definitely a niche. The next item that I got is actually this blue summer springy dress, and again this was like inspired with one of those Pinterest photos. And I knew the moment I saw this dress, I was like, dude, I have to get it, because look at it, it's so springy, so summery. Also, I love how it has like a slit at the bottom. The only concern that I have is that the material is good, but I'm not really sure if it's apt for sunny days, because I think in this material you will sweat a lot. But for the price, I don't think it's really bad. I mean, I really think that it's a steal. I would really love to style it and get good pictures in it, and this is again definitely a niche. The next item that I got is again a dress, and it's blue. This dress is actually a really skin fitted mini dress, and that's where the question arises, because if you guys don't know, my height is like 5'11", and dresses like these are basically a top to me. I cannot wear these as dresses. Another concern that I have is the material. I mean, I really think like this is a see-through material, and it actually is like, when I feel it in my hand, it's not really good quality, and I don't think I would be comfortable wearing it outside. I don't know, maybe like I would wear like a white t-shirt inside of it and then maybe try to wear it, but then it again comes to the point that it does not have good length for people like me who are 5'11". So this was definitely an ish, and I wouldn't really wear it, and I might as well just give it to someone who would really wear it. The next item that I got are a pair of jeans. Now again, the issue that arises is the length issue. I have like super long legs, and the only jeans that fit my height is the Zara jeans. I would say that the material of this jeans is absolutely incredible. Like the material is too good. I love the style, I love the fitting of it, I love everything about this jeans. Just the fact that it does not have enough length, so it kind of seems like a culotte when I wear it. Culotte or culotte, I don't really know how to pronounce it. So yeah, I don't really think that these jeans were up to the mark, but I can still see myself wearing them because I love the patchwork on these jeans. I love how they have this white waistband, which just makes it so much more edgy, and also these cute white pockets, which I think are so super adorable. And like, if this jeans had like a little bit of more length, like you would be seeing me wearing this everywhere. I am digging such edgy pieces from brands, because I mean, when you see runway shows right now, all you can see is colors and prints and stuff like that. I really think that colors and prints and experimenting with different loud colors like this are very much in the fashion. But if I had to put it in the category of ish or niche, I would definitely say it is. I do really like the style, I do really like the edginess of this clothing. Just the only thing that is not good is the length of these jeans. I think I would move this into the category of niche. And the last clothing item that I have got for you guys is this top that I'm wearing right here, and this might be one of my favorite pieces from the haul. It is a tie-dye cropped t-shirt. As you can see, like I have tied it around my waist, so it just goes like this, and I just have to tie it around my waist like this. I really like the plunge v-neck on the front, and I also really like the material of it. It's actually a ribbed sort of material. Not very much to say about this, just that it's a really nice tie-dye crop top. Be it Emma Chamberlain or be it anyone, everyone is just playing with colors. Everyone is just wearing really cool funky colors this season, and I really thought that this would just fit the vibe, and that's why I got it, and I absolutely love it and I'm obsessed with it. So this definitely is a niche for me. The next criteria that I have is jewelry. The first jewelry piece that I have to show you guys is this one. These are the earrings that I got, and these were like a bunch of earrings that came together, and I'll just show you guys. So we have like 5 pairs of earrings in this one set that I got. So we have the pearl ones, then I got this heart and lock situation, and I really like the fact that these are like not identical, and like the one is key and the one is the heart lock, and I think it's super cute. Then I got these diamond ones, and then lastly I got these butterfly ones, which I think are so cute. Dude, I'm obsessed with these, and I really do think like when you're going out and you don't really want to accessorize, but you do really want to accessorize but not that much, I think you can really pick something like this to elevate your outfit. And moving on to necklaces, I have like 3 necklace chains that I got from them. The first piece that I got is this one. I really love this beautiful butterfly pendant, and I really think like it goes with the butterfly earrings so well, and they can really work like a set. The next pendant that I got is this heart dainty pendant, and it just has like a gold chain with like a cute little heart, and I think it is such a nice subtle jewelry piece which I can pair with any of my t-shirts if I really want to just go out to like college or something. By the way, all of these jewelry pieces are a niche, and that's because I really chose them very wisely, and I really wanted to get like every single piece of them, so they like all fall in the niche category. But the last item that I have to show you guys is this silver you guys have most probably have seen this. Like this sort of chain aesthetic is literally all over the internet, and everyone is digging like these big bold chunky chains right now. Basically all of the products except for one were in the niche category, which means like this haul was legit a success, and I hope you really liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. And we are almost at 40k, and I can't wait to hit 50k. You all please like, share and subscribe my videos. I do really know that you guys are desperately waiting for my perfume collection videos, so I am promising you that will be out next month for sure. And yeah, that was it for the Urbanic haul. I will see you guys the next time.
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one.